Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome to the Clear It Out video for October. I forgot to show you something in Smash Our Stash ink stuff, so I just thought I'd show you real quick. I took these and drug them along the board that had the ink. If you missed that video, it was all about inks and sprays and stuff, and I had dyed these previously, but now they have purple accents or blue. And then I said never leave any paint or ink behind. I had purple ink dried on my glass mat. I just spritzed it with water and used this as a cleanup, a mop-up rag. I will come back. I was thinking this might be kind of fun with gold on it. Maybe some gold stars or something else stenciled. I feel like down the road, it may be a journal cover. So anyway, those are left over from Smash Our Stash. Now let's talk Clear It Out. If you're new here, I think I have a Clear It Out playlist. It's just paper collections that I said I'm using these up this year. This journal, this was a I Am collection from Simple Stories, and I love how this turned out. I know there's pink, but I forgive this collection for it because it's just fun. I put a shaker on the front, has some stars and 2 different colors of blue, and it says, I am living in the moment. And I didn't put a tie across it. I had one with a shaker that had a thing across it, but I just decided I don't like that. I think if you have a shaker, you have a shaker, not a closure over it. Then I stitched it with black, and I like the black with the pastels. I'm really into that. I love the contrast. Then on the inside, it's pretty jam-packed, but there is a lot of room to write. I imagine that someone will use this as a journal. It could be a garden journal. It could be a journal about their year or what they're doing. It could be just you have a seasonal journal and you always write. So I don't know. But I've got things from the collections, little bits of things that I added from my stash along the way, little pockets I made. I used ephemera and stickers and inked things and strings. I thought this one was fun for a bookmark in it. I really need to start doing a better job having bookmarks in my journals, even my own personal one. I lose my place all the time. So I'm tucking it right here, but I imagined it moving. Just take a deep breath. It's a little tiny envelope. A journaling card that you can write on. And this wasn't part of it. It was just, paper that I added in similar colors. We've got the black and the yellow coming in. It's not an all matchy journal, which I think adds some interest, and I didn't have enough paper. So I wanted to make a journal, but I was tight on paper. I've brought in a lot of color because my thought was if you like this cover, you probably like color. You're not afraid of it. And I have different ephemera pieces here and another fun envelope. One of you happy mailed this to me, and I just thought it was good for this. This is actually a tuck spot. It's just clear. And a tuck spot here and a card. Today is full of possible. That's from Nancy. And a cute little green vellum envelope also from Nancy. She's going to be making stuff with that green vellum for her whole life. And a dyed piece of paper, tea dyed on blue. And another neutral tea dye. And then I have a dream sticker down here. This collection has a splash of gold in it. I love it. I am talented is a sticker up at the top. Doing amazing things, and it comes out this way. I am doing amazing things. You could write all about them. This is me. A little journaling pocket right here. Well, you'd be hard pressed unless you have a white or silver to journal on that, but it's just so cute. So you have a butterfly there, and then look at it this way. And again, bits of gold in that collection. I just love that with the black and the pastels. Positive vibes and a stamp. I like to mix the junky in with the paper collections. This tea dyed page. I'll just dye anything if it's not moving. A little tiny book page here, and then a pocket that says Dreaming Big. And this was from a magazine. I added it in. Seek Joy is a journaling card. You could stamp, you could write, you could paint. There's a lot of options with this journal because it has some different papers. And then here is a little envelope just full of goodness. Bits of ephemera and stickers to decorate. And I have a sticker right there. And best day ever, and another little tag there. and a fun collage. Has some texture. It's napkins and regular paper and stickers, so you're mixing your sheens. The I am is stickers on a piece of paper. And again, here we have a fun little cluster of stickers and junky stuff. Those are actually, it's a mix of old postmarks and new stamps. Ribbon that has some texture too. The white is a layer on top of it. And stickers from the collection. We're going down the other side of the papers. This one is not a tuck spot, just a fun accent of paper. I tried to use every bit of scrap that I had. Some butterflies here, and it's a pocket. And the best life, and it's also a tuck spot. Loved and a bicycle, and I think this is a little tuck. It is. My story. I'm my own kind of beautiful. Never stop dreaming. Really cheerful and uplifting, right? Some more stickers and butterflies. And I just loved this butterfly napkin, the colors and the energy, and I just put it in there with it. I like this paper. You can make little lists. I love to make lists. I am confident, lovable, unique, strong, happy, amazing, fabulous. I am me. And there's a balloon. Then I got on a kick. I'm sorry, I cannot credit or remember, and I know a couple different people were doing it. This might have been treasure books. Just taking bits of paper and putting them together and making a little pad. So I had one that this has got some sheen and some stripes and some gorgeous flowers and a book page you could write on the front or the back, and it says grateful. It just adds some fun and a little more writing spot. A really fun tuck spot that I went a little crazy with. If you've seen me, once I get started decorating things, sometimes there's no stopping. Chipboard and stars and stamps and real stamps. Really fun bits. This is all journaling cards, things to make pockets with, stickers, washi tape. It's a sheet of washi tape. Just bits and bobs that I thought someone might have a heyday. This journal might make a really good gift for somebody who maybe likes to journal but isn't a junk journaler. Like, this is an all-in type kit. I don't think you would need anything but a pen and tags and some more paper and some more stickers. Thankful, grateful, blessed. I like to include a lot of stickers because they allow you to gift these to people who don't necessarily have a bottle of glue sitting around, right? 1 in a million, and I've got a little bit of a ribbon here. Fun texture. So anyway, I think this one would make a wonderful gift or a gift for yourself. As always, if you're interested in this one, you can leave me a comment down below. It would be $26 all in, shipped in the US. And I probably won't list it on Etsy because I'm getting ready for the craft fair. So if you see something this time of year that you want, you just need to leave me a comment because I'm not going to put it all on Etsy and then delete it all to take it to the show and pay the fees. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking great care of yourselves. I'll be back on the 18th with my basic gray project. Your guess is as good as mine about what I make. Bye-bye.